You said that people are always going to work together. That's one of the ideas that's underpinning the creation of Team GPT. At its core, it's about people working together, right? But you also said the future, AI will change the future fundamentally.
Yes.
It's you expect that there will be a big shift. There's a lot of conversation about the big shift.
Yes.
So what does the future hold?
Yeah.
And how does Team GPT kind of prepare for that future?
Yeah. So for us, insiders of the AI industry, we knew that this future is coming for many years. And we knew automation is coming, AI will be everywhere, AI is the real deal. It was widely known. But it was chat-gpt which was the great catalyst, because it came and it allowed everyday people who are not data scientists, who are not AI engineers, to be able to converse with the AI and use the potential of AI directly through the chat. And so this was revolutionary. First, we had ChatGPT in November 2022, GPT-4 in March 2023. We launched in April. And from here on, it is just this constant acceleration, and everything starts happening faster and faster and faster. And you've seen images with DALI, you've seen all these deep fakes, videos. Yesterday, so we're recording this on the 16th of February, and yesterday, OpenAI released Sora, which is text to video.
Yeah.
And this is mind blowing as well. So this technology, just for 1.5 years, we have moved from simple chat GPT to text to video, and this is amazing. So in the next years, what will happen, in my opinion, is that in the next 3 years, any idea will be you could realize any idea in a day. So any software idea. Right now, you need developers, you need this, you need that. With these technologies, it's already possible to build almost anything in a day. And in 2-3 years,
you can build a website with like a prompt
software.
Yeah.
Our software that we created,
Yeah.
in 2 years, anybody would be able to create such a software in one day.
Okay.
And it's incredible. Then 5 years from now, I believe that all automatable tasks will be automated. What does this mean? Well, this intelligent automation that has just arrived is a bit different than before. Why?
What do you mean then before? You mean where?
Before ChatGPT times.
Okay.
Yeah. So imagine you have to go to a website and you need to take some information out of it. In the past, you could send a scraper, and you could, with a computer program, you could go take all the information from the website and do something with it. Now, with this intelligent automation, with the AI that we currently have, you can tell the scraper, go to this website, find the most important information, whatever that means, and it's gonna either take, the stuff that are, higher up on the page, or that have big buttons, or, it's gonna take unique information out of this. It will not take repetitive information. So the AI is able to make these subjective decisions that usually people would do. You would normally tell a person, go to this website, take the information, tell me what's there, right? Now the AI can also do this. And combining our existing technology with this decision making that AI can do, which is usually 99% of the cases it's better than the human decision making.
For some types of tasks.
For some types of tasks, yeah. For some types of tasks, AI is already better than humans, and there's so many tasks. Even MRI, brain tumors, these things. It's already AI is so much better than humans, and yes, it's better for some tasks, but these tasks are becoming more and more and more every day. What I mean by all automatable tasks will be automated. Well, if the AI is better than a human at this task, by 2028, in the next 5 years, there will be a computer program somewhere done by someone that has automated this task completely. And so in 5 years, they will be automated somewhere. in the next 15-20 years it will be adopted worldwide by anyone who needs a computer program like this.
Okay.
And again, on this automation timeline, we have entered this period which a friend of mine calls automate or prepare to be automated. In the next 10 years, if your job is not changing and you're not employing AI, someone is automating you right now. And people have to be very, very conscious of this.
Aware, yeah.
Yeah, aware.
Okay, so in this future, what is the responsibility of teams like ours, of a software product like ours, to facilitate, to make this, how are we going to fit in this automation that is happening? What responsibility do we have? Do we make it more accessible? Do we create some of the automation? Do we...
Okay, so there are different views of how this future would look like, and truth is, according to McKinsey and other sources, 25 to 75% of the work done on a computer will be completely or partially automated in the next 10 years. Now, how will this automation look like depends on the companies that are doing the automation. And from ChatGPT's perspective, right now, what they're doing is they're doing a lot of agents, these GPTs that they have released. What they do is, for instance, they can help you book a hotel on Booking. You go on booking.com. Normally, what is the status quo? You go on booking.com, you search through hotels, you book. With the ChatGPT GPTs, you can go to ChatGPT and you can say, book me a hotel for these dates, do this. And then AI agent, an AI program is doing the work and booking the hotel for you. Now, this is a complete automation of a process which I wouldn't like to be automated in the first place, right? But this is kind of the way they're going. Fully automating stuff through chat. Now, we are in the unique position, Team GPT, to build a future in the way we see it. And we believe that it's going to be much more about collaboration. It's going to be much more collaborative. And every human who is still working and still going to work, they will need to work with the AI. We imagine a bunch of different AI work modes, we call them. So apart from chat, you can also you also want to edit text with AI. You want to retrieve some information. They call this RAG. But again, this is not chat. This is a different work mode. You're trying to achieve you're trying to extract some information from a text, and there are better ways than chat to achieve this. Maybe we're going to talk about this in some other episode a bit more. But what we're trying to build is a collaborative future where humans can go together to work. Instead of opening Slack, they would open a software which allows them to control AI stuff and maybe partially do the work with agents, maybe collaboratively do something. Managers and employees, they should be able to engage in this manager-employee relationship inside the software. Employee does something, manager approves. Maybe AI does something else, manager approves. All of these things, they have to be solved by someone somewhere.
Yeah.
And we believe this is going to be us.
Okay.
And we want to build this collaborative future where humans are in the process, let's say.